Sorry to interrupt your show or whatever. We have a tornado warning in Austin, Texas right now. It's heading straight for Baranoff Elementary. Please pack your bags and get out of the way.
Whoa, a tornado. Should we get out of town?
I'm going to pack my bags.
I'm sure it's nothing.
Luckily, I'm fast.
I can't believe we hacked into the weather system. That was awesome. We pulled it off. Yeah, I agree.
There are in fact no tornadoes. You do not have to pack up and leave. We hope your day is good, and we're looking into what happened.
Are you serious? Let's put an end to this. Interesting.
I just came from an undiscovered murder scene. I haven't reported it to the cops yet because it's very suspicious.
Thank you for bringing this to my attention.
Let's go investigate. Who's that over there?
Maybe we should split up.
Stop! Stop! I didn't do anything. Come with me. I have some questions for you.
Why does everyone always want to arrest me because of my powers?
Just come with me.
Victoria, we have yet another murder.
We have suspects as well. I didn't do anything.
What do you know?
Wait, what? Who else is murdered?
Weatherman Bill.
Are you serious?
Unfortunately, yes. It seems people didn't like the weather glitch.
Hello, my name is Z. Why am I here? Am I arrested or something?
Just fill out this form and tell us what you know.
I can't believe we got away with it. I know, I'm so surprised. I know, right? It's so crazy. Stop right there! What the heck is this? Stop that! Stop that! Are these the two from the news station video footage?
Yep, that's them.
You are under arrest for one or more murder.
You have superpowers too?
Yeah, I don't get out much.